Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you read in the title, I'm going to be doing like do-it-yourself full-length light up mirror. I guess you can say I saw this girl's video. I'll leave it down below, and she got this idea from another girl, so I'll leave her link down below. And it's like an affordable way to like get your full-size mirror to light up, and I figured I would film a video on it just because it was like so inexpensive. I just thought it was so cool to do, and I hope it turns out like bright enough for my likings. So yeah, I guess we're gonna find out together. I'll let you guys know exactly what I'm using, where I bought everything. I'll link everything down below, and if you guys have any questions, you guys can let me know. But I'm kind of nervous. I want to rewatch the videos again just because I know I have to cut some things, and I don't know, I'm kind of nervous, but hopefully this works out. I kind of like doing do-it-yourself type things, and honestly all of it is under $100, so good. It's so good. Let's see how this turns out. I just realized that my like eyelash is like coming off, but I don't really care. I got home from work an hour ago. I'm tired, it's hot in here, and I just wanted to like film this. So I just really want to get the mirror done, but I really wanted to film it. All of this is going to be under $100, mirror included. I got this mirror at IKEA for like 50 something dollars, like super inexpensive. I've been wanting like a big mirror like this. I got this back in last year. I got it in July after we went to Khalid. We went to IKEA after Khalid. That's how long ago I got it, and I love it, you guys. Everyone needs a full-length mirror. So yeah, let's just get on into it. All right, so first of all, you're gonna need the LED lights. Oh my god, there's hair on it. But yeah, it's just like, I got this one. This is, length is 5 meters, is this? And hopefully this is enough for my mirror. I'm hoping it is, because if not, I'm gonna be sad as hell. So I got that, and then I got these little things here. This is where the corners, so you're gonna actually cut up the LED lights, and then you're gonna connect them back in the corners. You'll see in the video. And then we got the actual like thing that connects to the wall to make it light up. So I'm actually gonna open this and connect it to the LED lights and see if they light up, because I want to make sure that they work, you know. So let's do that first. God damn it, it's so hot. Yeah, this is so good right now. Alright, so the first thing we're gonna do is actually measure out the LED lights, and I'm gonna want, oh my god, there's hair. So basically this is like sticky, so you can peel off the back of it and it sticks right onto the border or inside the mirror, however you want to do it. I want to do mine on the border just because, I don't know, I just feel weird like cleaning my mirror while there's lights there, so I want to do it on the white part of it, see if that works out. But I want to this part here, because this is the part where it's going to connect. I want it down on this side, just because I'm not going to leave my mirror on this side of my room. I'm going to put it over there, and the outlet is closer to that side. So I'm going to actually just measure it out and see where I need to cut. And then again with these, when you cut them, you can only cut them where the little brown dots are. If it focuses, come on. There's actually a little line in between, you know, the brown little copper dots. So you want to cut in between those two. Now we're just going to unstick it. So you got the first part on. God, it was kind of hard, honestly. Like, you just want to make sure that you keep it straight. Luckily, like, my borders are really thin, so it's not that hard, but yeah, it's been such a challenge. It's a lot harder than I thought it was gonna be. I've cussed so many times. I broke hella nails just trying to get the little corners open, because you do need to snap them open just so it like reveals the little teeth here. Getting this open was a bitch. But basically what you're supposed to do is actually get it to line up with the little copper dots. Actually, I have to get it like this. So you have to like, actually I need to peel it off, but you peel off the sticky. So you peel off a little bit of the sticky, and you have to make sure that all 4 teeth touch the copper. So it's a little tricky at first, but get it all in there. And then this other part is going to connect to the other copper dots on the top side. I actually got these two done. I just need this last side and I'll be done, and I'm so over it, you guys. Oh my god, and they're bright, so my eyes kind of hurt. Alright, you guys, so after hella blood, sweat, and tears, we did it. We did it. You guys ready to see this? Honestly, that process sucked though. You guys need to be careful with the way you cut in between the little copper dots, because if you cut on the dot, it's not going to work. I learned that with this first strip, and that's the important one because that's the one that connects to the wall, you know, to the electricity. But yeah, we got her done. Alright, so this is her. It's so cute, but I feel like it looks so weird in pictures, so I don't know. But it gives off a lot of light, you guys, and it's cool light because obviously they're LEDs. But like there's an option of warm and cool, and I choose the cool, obviously. This is what I prefer, and it looks so good. I mean, it was a fucking struggle. I'm like left with no nails now because opening those little clips or whatever was the hard part, and actually getting them to connect and all light up was hard too. But I hope you guys learned something from this. I will say it looks kind of weird in pictures, like the lights are too bright, or I don't know, it does this weird thing with pictures. I'm gonna have to play around with it, but I do like the light it gives off. So yeah, if you guys have any questions on the process or like the things you need to buy for it, go ahead and let me know. I'll answer any of your questions. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you guys did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye guys.
Watch the breakdown.